break it down on this. We're gonna start out from the beginning now. Yeah. Uh, truth. Got a lot of clothes underneath my seat. It's kind of making me uncomfortable. But it is what it is. It don't matter what you think, I'm rapping for today. I'm hoping up the moments, tell me life will be okay. No matter what you think though, I'm still rapping cause you know what the never, singles don't matter. I never needed no endorsements over record deal. I rap because I'm real, I rap because I feel. Coming from my heart, yeah you tell me I won't steal. I don't need that, no, won't you tell me what's been real? Still getting, it's my rhyme, it's my reason. Blown up singing, cause no treason. I'm paying homage to the one and only Christ. The one who is the Savior, the one that loves us right. The one that does it right, the one that's here to teach us. Tell us how to live, yeah, there's nothing beneath besides the dirt and the work. I'm about to go and rap it cause I'm smoking the perp. I put together flows straight from my brain. I call it real because I'm rapping about pain. Cause you know that, yeah, I'm feeling the shit. I've lived life a couple years, I'm feeling the shit. I know that, yo, I'm still rapping. Don't really matter cause you know what's done happen. What I live, hard to be positive because I'm living negative. I'm still stuck up on them juice. Tell me what's the use? Talk about real life substance abuse cause I'm caught up rapping, really kinda feeling. Don't let it matter, yeah I'm not dealing. I gave that shit up, lost my sheets, bouncing between, feeling incomplete. Missing my girl, missing my Lee. Don't matter cause you know what's